GETTYLow and middle earners would keep more pay if income tax and national insurance were combined. Low and middle earners would keep more of the pay if income tax and national insurance contributions were combined. And public services could also experience a multi-billion-pound boost from reform of the tax system, according to the Institute for Public Policy Research. Currently, the tax threshold starts at 20% for earnings between £11,500 and £45,000, rising to 40% on pay above that level up to £150,000, and 45% for any further earnings. But the left-leaning think tank recommends income tax and employee national insurance contributions should come under a single tax schedule applied to all incomes on an individual annual basis. The UK's system of taxing incomes is not progressive enough, too inefficient and poorly equipped to raise the revenue that will almost certainly be needed to meet the public spending challenges of the 21st century. Alfie Sterling. It would see all income treated under the same rates regardless of where it is sourced from, such as earnings, savings or property rents. The IPPR claims more than 80% of taxpayers could see an increase in their income after tax income, adding there could be gains around the median income for all taxpayers as high as £1,200 a year. Marginal tax bands should be replaced with a formula-based system, which would mean every taxpayer's precise level of income would be key to what the rate is with the groups report, noting that, in effect, tax bands would no longer exist. The changes would also give the government scope to raise significantly more revenue from income tax to fund public services. The IPPR report, tapering over the tax, reforming taxation of income in the UK, says the reformed system could raise between £6 billion to £16 billion extra annual revenue while still increasing post-tax incomes for at least 75% of individual taxpayers, the think tank says. The new system could help everyone earning fewer than £44,400 could see their average tax rate fall. IPPR senior economic analyst Alfie Sterling, author of the report, said, the UK's system of taxing incomes is not progressive enough, too inefficient and poorly equipped to raise the revenue that will almost certainly be needed to meet the public spending challenges of the 21st century. By combining income tax with national insurance, and replacing most tax bands with a constant, gradual increase in the marginal rate of tax, our proposal would allow policy makers to give significant sums back to low and middle earners while still raising funds to plug deficits in our public services.